Hello everyone. Today the topic is heat engine. So we define the heat engine. The heat engine is a device or machine that produces work from heat in a cyclic process. So the heat engine example is steam power plant. The steam power plant in which the working fluid, that is the steam, periodically returns to its original state. Now we see how the steam power plant works. That is, the cycle of power plant consists of the following steps. So here we see the diagram of this steam power plant. That is, here is the steam power plant. So you can see from the pump it goes to the boiler, then it goes to the turbine, then it moves to the condenser. So here what are the different steps we have that we see. The first step is the liquid water at ambient temperature is pumped into boiler at high pressure. So the heat from the fuel, it is transferred to the boiler to the water, converting it into high temperature steam at boiler pressure. Now the energy is transferred as shaft work from steam to surroundings by a device such as turbine. So in this turbine, the steam expands to reduce pressure and temperature. The exhaust steam from the turbine is condensed at low temperature and pressure by the transfer of heat to the cooling water, and it completes the cycle. So you can see from the diagram. So from the pump it moves to the boiler, then from the boiler by the work is done by the turbine, and then it moves to the condenser where the heat is transferred, and then it completes the cycle. So in wire, heat reservoirs or bodies, imagine, capable of absorbing or rejecting an infinite quantity of heat without temperature change. So if you see the operation, the working fluid of the heat engine, it absorbs heat QH from the hot reservoir, produces a net amount of work W, then discards heat QC to a cold reservoir, and then returns to its initial state. So now the first law reduces to W equal to QH minus QC. So the thermal efficiency of the engine is defined as efficiency is equal to net work output by heat input. So efficiency is equal to work done by QH. So work done is represented as QH minus QC by QH. So efficiency is equal to 1 minus QC by QH. So here the modulus symbol, observed value signs are used to make the equations independent of the sign convention. That is the modulus QC, modulus QH, it represents, it's independent of plus or minus. So for the efficiency to be unity, QC must be 0. But it's not possible. That means efficiency unity means it's a 100% efficiency. But 100% efficiency is not possible for the heat engines. So then we define another engine, that is the Carnot engine. We see in the next video. So if you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. Thank you very much.